Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the Booleans in JavaScript. Okay. So in JavaScript, a Boolean is a primitive data type, okay, that can only have one of the two values, true or false. Okay. The Boolean values of any expression is the basis of all JavaScript comparisons and conditions. Okay. So when we will be learning about the conditionals in JavaScript, the use of Boolean will be much more clear. Okay. So now let's see the Booleans in action. Okay. All right. Let's add a variable. Let is logged in equals to true. As you can see, I am writing true in all lowercase and I am not using any sort of quotes here. Okay. All right. So this is a Boolean. So if I just do console log of is logged in, okay, save that. As you can see, we are getting true here. Okay. Once again, we can do something like this. Let's do const has access equals to false. Okay. So now if I do something like this, console log of has access, that is false. Okay. So these are the Booleans here. Once again, if I just do something like this, so type of is logged in and type of has access. As you can see, we are getting Boolean here. All right. Now, in case if you just wrap it up with quotes, then what will happen is that the type will be string. Okay. This will be also true here. So if I just do console log of is logged in, it is saying true, but see that the color of the true is white and it is a string currently right now because we are having quotes here. We will be learning about the strings in the upcoming video. Okay. So all right. So this is how the Boolean basically works. So Boolean can have only two values, true or false. Okay. So true and false should be all lowercase. Okay. And also inside of the VS Code, we are having this color coding of the true and the false as well, which is good. Okay. And we should not be using any quotes while writing true or false. Okay. All right. And the most important part is true and false are the only possible Boolean values. Okay. All right. So what I'll do, okay, so this is good. So if I just do something like this, as you can see, as soon as I have removed the quotes, the true inside of the JavaScript console has a different color. Okay. I hope that makes sense. So this is basically the basics of Booleans. So Booleans can be of only two values, true and false. And whenever we want to have some sort of an comparison to make, we use the Booleans. Okay. So when we will be learning about the if statements and the conditionals, the usage of Booleans will be much more clear. And we use Booleans all the time inside of programming. Whenever we have to make a decision inside of the program, we use Booleans to do so. Okay, awesome. So in this video, we have learned about Booleans in JavaScript.